就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hello there, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Lin, and today we got the music from Huang Weijie. This song is called 招牌, which means a sign, 招牌. And we see people carrying signs by the street for advertising all the time. And it's a song about seeing that and how there are a lot of people that go through hard times and are forced to spend their days like this just to make ends meet. So he encourages his listeners to be more compassionate and considerate to these people. Let's take a listen.
明日就是上班上课的时节，自己的迄台的十字路口，起床的那轮台中的招牌，电窗通道。人如果紧讲，马家放假摕鬼，不敢想。真爱思念时光有眼多，风台东汉，日晒大凉，点钟转摆酒来念剧xuất汗。府台嫩角是老枪老兄，殿下吉传，现实报来。
这首歌是黄伟杰的招牌，就是招牌哦。因为他偶然在路上看到举广告牌的人哦，觉得他们不分晴天或雨天都要站在这个车水马龙的十字路口，很辛苦的工作着，所以他就写了这首歌来为他们发声，让大家知道他们是很努力，用劳力、用长工时呢来换取这个微薄的收入哦。而我们呢，应该要秉持着一个同理的心哦，来帮助一些更需要帮助的人喽。
行阵抢电夹夹个爱嘅时间重逢，无彩就无痛。茶杯是来是去，风电点下来，你那行去行阵抢电夹夹个爱嘅生命重逢，无彩就无痛，一彩就无分。bọt ngon mốc dù là chàng miên dùng.
And again, that is 招牌 by Huang Weijie. Thank you for listening. I'm Joseph Lin. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.